This video is one in a series about the bikes that I ride and love. Today's video is about my Bacheta 2020. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. This is my Bacheta Giro 26. This bike is made by Bacheta, which is located in California right now. Before it was produced in Florida. This bike came with a dual 26-inch wheel, but since it has dual disc brake, you can convert it to 24-inch wheels and 20-inch wheels. I did get this bike already used, customized to 20-inch wheels, and the reason why I got this bike, because a lot of people online have asked me why is it faster, big wheel bike. I did not get this for the speed gains or anything like that. The reason I got this bike is because it sits me closer to the ground. I am 5 feet 8 inches, and I put my feet secure and flat on the ground when I stop. Another customization that I did is I put this BMX style pedals, which are wide. That makes it easy for me to get on and off the bike, especially off the bike in a panic situation. I do not want to get my feet caught on cleats and end up falling on the ground and breaking some bones. Not good. So I ride this around town a lot. I do own electric bikes, upright bikes, but I prefer, when possible, to ride my Bacheta because it's human power and I get to do exercise, which I need. I only use the electric bikes when I'm going long distance, when it is time sensitive. I'm going to work, I have to be there at a certain time. I get on the electric bike. If not, I ride this bike. It's very relaxing. So this is a short video giving some information about this bike and why I chose it. You can see it right here. Beautiful bike. Oh, I almost forgot. One other customization that I did is I put in these beach cruisers handlebars that are wider. They are more comfortable for my riding style. I'd rather be comfortable because that way I will ride the bike more. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, if you learn anything, you have any questions, please contact me. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumb up. Thank you.